Just in 1 year, over 24 billion passwords were exposed on the dark web. So today, I'm going to show you how to check if your passwords were leaked, what happens if that's the case, what to do to prevent it, and how to be safe online. You'd think that you would realise right away if your passwords had been leaked, right? But the truth is, unless a proper security system is in place, the signs will arrive already too late. Leaked passwords can cause a number of problems. The most common one is a takeover of your online accounts. If a threat actor has your password, he can log in, change it, and he now owns your account. It's incredibly difficult to get it back, especially if it's social media. If it's your email password that has been leaked, you've got an even bigger problem. A simple reset the password click and multiple accounts are in the hands of a cyber criminal. And while it's within their grasp, you can encounter a number of other problems. The threat actor can sell your data, blackmail you, or steal your whole identity. That can quickly become an expensive, lifelong burden. If you want to know more about identity theft, we have a video on it, as well as all kinds of other cybercrime explainers. So be sure to subscribe and check them all out. Alright, so how to check if my passwords are secure? Well, the simplest way is a password leak check. We have one on the Cybernews website with a collection of 33 billion leaked passwords. You simply input your password here, and it will show you exactly how many times it has already appeared on the dark web. However, this tool is more for those wondering, is my password secure? That's because you have no way of knowing if any of the leaks were related to your own account. To get more specific info, you'll need to get a password manager. Most best password manager options have a data leak checker that will look after your account specifically. Take this NordPass data breach scanner as an example. You don't really need to do anything. It will automatically look for leaks related to your account and notify you. It tells you exactly what breach your data has appeared in, what was compromised, as well as details on how the breach happened. RoboForm, another popular password manager choice, has a similar tool in their security center where you can see your compromised passwords. Keeper Password Manager also has a thing like this called the Breach Watch, while 1Password has the Watchtower feature. Basically, there's a lot of options. Just make sure that your password manager choice is actually safe. The options that I mentioned are a great starting point. But here's the thing. A password manager is much more crucial to keeping yourself safe online than just checking for leaks. But before that, there are a couple of things you should do yourself to stay safe online. It starts with building an additional safety barrier. 2FA or two-factor authentication is your best friend. Even if your password gets leaked, 2FA provides an additional login confirmation step that the threat actors won't have access to remotely, at least as long as you keep your 2FA method safe. If you've got that and a breach alert of some sort going on, you should be able to catch any problems fast and fix them right away. Of course, you still have to be mindful. Don't give away your information online. Stay wary of phishing attacks and make sure your passwords are long and complicated. This is where we bump right back into the password manager topic. There's a good reason this kind of software is getting so popular. Besides just safely storing your credentials under a steel blanket of encryption, a password manager is going to help you make sure that all your passwords are strong and unique. And you won't have to remember them. There's usually an autofill function that fills in login fields. I have quite a few password manager recommendations and I already mentioned some of them. For example, NordPass is a great starting point. They use a next-gen XCHA20 encryption to protect user logins, and on top of that, the app is incredibly easy to use. You won't need a how to use password manager guide here. Everything is clear and laid out very intuitively. If you want to try it, you can find a coupon code in the description. It will give you a hefty discount. I'll leave the links to other reliable password managers too, from Keeper to RoboForm to 1Password. If that's not enough options for you, subscribe to this channel. I've lost count of how many different password manager reviews I've done at this point. I hope this how to check if my passwords were leaked video was helpful. Let me know if you've been a victim of password leaks before. I'll meet you in the comments or in the next video. Stay safe, guys.